Germán Berterame suffered an alarming on-field medical emergency during the 69th minute of Inter Miami's match against CF Montreal. During the match, Berterame was involved in a heavy collision with a Montreal player. Immediately after the impact, he went down onto the pitch and appeared to be seizing up, which sparked immediate panic among the players of both teams. The incident took place during a cross into the CF Montreal penalty box. Berterame leaped into the air alongside Montreal defenders Daniel Pereira and Efrain Morales to challenge for a header and went crashing heavily down on his head and back. Play was immediately halted as medical personnel rushed onto the pitch. Following the on-field treatment, he was substituted out of the match in the 79th minute to be transported away in the ambulance into Miami CF into an ambulance after suffering an injury during the MLS match between CF Montreal and Inter Miami CF at Saputo Stadium on July 25, 2026 in Montreal, Quebec. Photo by Tim Austin, Getty Images. Photo by Tim Austin, Getty Images. Inter Miami won the match 1-0 via Luis Suarez. Suarez broke the deadlock by converting a crucial penalty kick in the 80th minute to secure the away victory. Inter Miami head coach Guillermo Hoyos later provided a positive update on the forward, confirming he was conscious and doing well.